We're at Hillman Beer in Old Fort, North Carolina.
It's no secret that Old Fort is bordered by the beauty and majesty of the Pisgah National Forest. But what is new is the town now has a brewery, and locals are loving it.
The beer, it's too good.
I love the beer. I like lots of kind of beers, but my favorites are the dark beer.
I have my few that I like, and there's one that I have yet to try.
My favorite is probably the Old Fort Lager.
And the hazy, which is what this one is. So yeah, they just do a great job with all their beer.
They are the Hillmans, Brad, his brother Greg, and Greg's wife Brandy. They opened Hillman Beer in Old Fort in 2020. The brew pub is part of the revitalization underway in Old Fort.
Yeah, we just saw the potential in this exit where you're not too far from Asheville, you're not too far from Charlotte. You can make it a day trip, you can make it a weekend trip.
If you like craft beer, there's a high probability Hillman has something for you.
Yeah, we have 20 different beers on tap right now, so we pretty much have a style for everybody.
We hated to go into a tap room and they had 10 beers and 9 of them were IPAs. You know, we want to make sure we offer a German beer, a wheat beer, an IPA, you know, a dark beer, it gives everyone an option.
I like a lot of Belgian beers. Our triple's really good. Golden Strong's really good.
I love the ESB. It's my favorite. But in the fall, I love the Iffy.
Especially if you're a regular, you're going to get tired of drinking the same things unless you're a creature of habit like I am, and I always drink the same thing. But we try to have something for everyone, even the people that wouldn't necessarily always drink a beer. We can always point you in the direction of something that you would have never thought that you would actually like to drink.
They make and keg their beer on site, using local ingredients when they can.
We use mostly all local malt from Riverbend Malt House. They're located in Gerber Village in South Asheville.
And they provide their spent grain to local farmers to use as feed.
It gets it off our hands and then they're able to use it and it doesn't just go to waste.
Hillman Beer also makes sure their customers have plenty to eat.
It's kind of like elevated pub food. You have your burgers, chicken sandwiches, wraps.
Thumbs up.
Salads, we have gluten-free options.
The wings are great. I ate them for a long time.
I ordered the kale salad with falafel.
And I kind of went on the other end of the spectrum. I didn't get kale and falafel, but I got a Reuben, corned beef Reuben and fries. Yeah, there's a reason that's my favorite.
It's a nice mix of, if you want to cheat and be bad and have the burger and fries, go for it. But you know, if you want to get the kale salad with turkey on it, then you'll feel better about the beer you're having with your meal.
Location contributes to the success of several businesses in Old Fort, and Hillman Beer is no different. They've renovated a former manufacturing site along Beautiful Mill Creek to allow the glorious outside in.
We cut out all these doors. We raised the floor with concrete. We built the deck. So it was a very dark space because it was a sock factory. It was a mill, but when you knock out all the walls and put in windows and stuff, you can certainly change the environment of the space. So.
Every now and then you'll see somebody fishing right in the creek, right outside. The brewing is awesome.
And Old Fort's got the outdoors happening. It's so exciting. Hiking, biking, trails, water sports. That's kind of a similar mindset and community, I think, that flock to that enjoy craft beer. So it just, I think, grew out of a love of the outdoors and craft beer.
If you want somewhere that you can get away and relax and just refrain from your normal grind, this is the place to do it.
Hillman Beer has 2 locations, Asheville and Old Fort. Their Old Fort tap room is at 78 Catawba Avenue, and it's open daily. For more information, check out their website at hillmanbeer.com.